Good morning, Calypso fans. There's our ding. We're on the north side of Guanaja. Our boat is on the other side, the south side. We came around that point and went through a canal this way over to the north side. And this is Bo's Island House. They have a restaurant up here, and we just talked to the nice people. We're going to walk along the beach and find the trail to the big waterfall. We've heard it's a nice waterfall, so that's where we're headed today. And as always, you get to come along. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. But first, I think we should refresh on the bug spray. It's confirmed. La Cascada Waterfall. Here we go. The book says you should have a local guide to take you up to the waterfall. We don't play that game. We don't need no stinking guide. We can get lost all on our own. Getting kind of dark and spooky, huh? So, do you suppose that's the trail? I think so. I'm gonna guess that this is the trail. Yep. It's the trail. Does it go up that way? No? All right, guys, we made it. Pretty cool. Yeah. What do you think, Sarah? Worth the hike? We spent a great week in Guanaja. It was wonderful in every way, except one. Bugs. We got demolished by bug bites. After about a week of that, we decided to make a run to the next Bay Island, Roatan.
So if you had to change a flat tire, would you rather change it here?
Or at Les Schwab. I'd rather change it at Les Schwab. Actually.
So this is our rental car that we just picked up today to tool around the island, and lo and behold, some nice man going by in a motorcycle happened to point out that we have a flat tire. Bummer for Dan, now he has to change it. We drove all around the island of Roatan, trying to figure the place out. We can't quite put it into words, but it just wasn't our style. Roatan is very touristy due to the cruise ship industry. We got off the beaten path and found an interesting sight. This is the island landfill. If you look closely, you can see little houses built on top of the garbage. As we drove by, the kids tried to get us to stop as they played in the refuse. Roatan is a well-known island. It has great grocery stores and fantastic diving. But for some reason, we couldn't find our mojo and just didn't want to stay long. After waiting out a 4-day storm with strong winds and lots of rain, we sailed off to the quaint little island of Utila, where we discover our mojo once again. Join us next time as we find what we believe is the best island we have visited so far.